Hola y bienvenidos a todos. Hello and welcome you all to my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. Spanish with Pallavi. Español. Mi nombre es Pallavi. My name is Pallavi. I'm a Spanish educator. I'll be teaching you Spanish language in a loco way, fun way, because Español es muy loco. Loco, crazy. So stay tuned with my channel, Spanish with Pallavi. Subscribe it, share it, and like it. Give love to it, share it with your loved ones, and related to the videos, you can just let me know what kind of videos, what kind of content you would like me to upload on Spanish language. Tell me in the comment section also what do you like about them, what you don't like about them, about the videos, okay? Feel free to contact me, feel free to inquire about the online Spanish courses that we offer. So we have all the levels from the beginner level to the advanced level, A1, A2, B1, B2, and the parts of it, and C1, C2 as well. Either you're a student or a working individual, feel free to contact me. Feel free to drop us a mail on this email ID, which will be there on your screen. Stay safe, stay tuned in my channel. Keep learning Spanish. Adios, hasta pronto. See you soon.